Having a proper breakfast is an important thing for many Taiwanese. Therefore, there are lots of breakfast restaurants all over Taiwan. I personally prefer having warm breakfast to start my day, so my Swedish friends think I'm weird when I warm up my milk in the microwave.
Well, I liked it, and my son liked it as well. We like to try new flavors, and this is new here for me on the market, so we figured we'll try.
Do you know where it is from?
From Taiwan.
Hello everyone, 你们好，我是 Tizzy 陈老师。Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious Taiwanese breakfast, and we are going to do it in Mandarin. After that, we will take a look at a dialogue about breakfast. In the last part of today's lesson, we will review what we have learned using a few questions. We will also be using some words from my last mini lesson. Be sure to check it out if you haven't watched it. Let's take a look at today's keywords. 早餐，蛋，培根，火腿，起司，奶酪，油，煎。Today I'm going to make a very common Taiwanese breakfast item called 蛋饼. The problem is that I can't get all the proper ingredients for my 蛋饼. So, I will have to improvise a little. 我早餐要吃培根蛋饼。我需要蛋，一颗蛋，一颗蛋，不要，我要两颗蛋，我也要培根，煎培根，培根好了，一点油，煎蛋，培根蛋饼好了。现在几点？哦，那么早。今天星期天。你早餐要吃什么？随便，都好。我吃培根蛋饼，你呢？不要，我不要培根蛋饼。那火腿蛋饼呢？好，火腿蛋饼吧。火腿、盐、起司、奶酪、蛋，两颗蛋，一点盐。好了吗？还没。好了没？还没。好了吗？ 还没。好了没？快好了。好了吗？还没。好了没？快好了。好了没？好了吗？好了没？快点。好了。火腿蛋饼好了。一点糖。你的热咖啡加牛奶和糖。我的热牛奶。谢谢。我们的早餐很好吃。你的早餐呢？好吃吗？我今天早餐吃培根蛋饼。我朋友吃火腿蛋饼。你呢？你今天早餐吃什么？我今天早餐喝热牛奶。我朋友喝热咖啡。你呢？你今天早餐喝什么？我每天都吃早餐。你呢？你每天都吃早餐吗？ So, that's all for today's lesson. What do you usually have for breakfast? Have you tried Taiwanese omelette? Tell me in the comment section below. If you like today's mini lesson and find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. In the next mini lesson, you are going to learn a very common phrase that native Mandarin speakers would use when they are surprised by something. 真的吗？真的假的？See you next time. 再见。